Pretty
Let's cook some
Caroline
rice together.
channel.
I'm cooking fried rice, so I adding my oil already. The oil is be eating up for some time now. Put in your onions. Put onions. I'm putting my onions now. You can use white onions for this recipe. You can use purple. I'm using purple. Add some spring onions also inside the oil together to fry. Add in more onions. Stir it very well to fry very well to circulate the oil. You can see the oil, the onions has been frying for some time now. Fry, 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 fry. Add in your washed rice into the oil. I've washed this rice for 1 hour. All the water I've drained out. I'm using Nigeria rice for this recipe. You can use any rice of your choice for your fried rice. So I'm using Nigeria rice. So you can see the rice has been frying for some time now. Fry, 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 excuse me. Fry, fry, add in your knorr cubes. I'm using knorr cubes. Can use any seasoning of your choice. Stir it together to put in your curry powder. Stir, 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 stir to combine so that the sweetness, the rice will come out very nice and sweet. Stir, 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 stir. Put in your garlic and ginger paste. Put in some pepper for heat. You can see. Stir them together. Stir, 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 stir. Stir very well to combine. Please like this video, share, comment, and follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Put in some pepper, white pepper inside. Stir it together for that extra flavor. Stir, 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 stir. Add in your water and put in beef stock into it. You can use any stock of your choice. Can use chicken stock, can use fish stock, any stock of your choice. Then put in some water to remain this at the same level with the rice so that the rice will cook perfectly. Stir, stir, stir to combine. Cover your rice for the rice to cook. Then go back and put in your frying pan on the fire. Add in some oil. Heat up some oil also. Vegetable oil. Stir it. Put in your onions, some spring onions inside also. Stir, 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 stir it very well. Now put your garlic. Don't allow your garlic to burn or your ginger to burn. Stir it very well to combine. For extra flavor, add in your washed veggies. Inside I have green beans and green pea and carrot. Put in some curry powder into it also. Put in, stir, 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 stir. Stir it very well to combine. Put in some peppers for heat. Put more white pepper inside. Stir, 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 stir. Add in your knorr, your cube. Check your rice. Your rice is cooked already. It's now time to put in your green pepper, your spring onions, and some sweet corn into your veggies. Stir them together to look at the color. The color is popping, is giving. So try this recipe, my people. Put in your rice now and stir fry this rice for some time, like for 5 minutes, so that everything will come back, combine together with the rice. Try this recipe for your occasion, for your birthday parties, for your owambe, for anything you are doing. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you soon on my next video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Please, once again, share this video, like, comment, and follow. Bye.